here. I am going to do a quick walkthrough through what I would like you to see for our new game History of Games class, MART 442. So you go there just by clicking on the class. It'll be MART 442. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to walk you through just the really early navigation of our class. When you come into our class, you're always going to see the home section, and it will have all the stuff that we're doing. Hopefully, I remember to publish everything so that you can see it. In the next radio button, you'll see that I'll have announcements for everyone. I'll ask you for your email, and I will email you at least once a week. I see a copy of the syllabus under the syllabus tab. It's all written out there. I might change it around a little bit. And I believe at the very bottom, you can also grab a doc or PDF copy of the syllabus as well. Your fourth tab is going to be modules. And here we're going to very carefully write out what we're going to be doing every single week. For instance, our first week, we're going to be not necessarily talking about Alice in Wonderland, but I'm just practicing with loading images, but the craft of writing. In our class, we will have several written projects, small every other week, paper due, a bigger one at midterm, and then a final 10-page paper for the final. Topics all for the midterm, and a final paper will be of your choice. The other papers will be just short essays on whatever topic you all get assigned. It'll be for that day. But when you're writing, we're going to talk about the craft of writing and how to plan, how to research, how to communicate your ideas, how to put your paper together, how to write an outline, including your original thesis statements and writing a conclusion. We'll also talk about avoiding plagiarism. In this little example here, this red prompt will go away. Those were notes that were just for me. You'll be able to see your assignments here under the assignments tab each week. I'll be building those out here shortly. Every single week we are going to have a quiz. There'll be at least 10 questions apiece based on whatever we were talking about the previous week. So we have discussions here. I might have breakout rooms for you all to just communicate back and forth and talk about whatever the topic of the day is. Obviously, each one of your papers is going to have a similar rubric. This is not done yet, but I will write your rubrics for you. What are we looking for? We're looking for grammar, writing in the third person, making sure that you're not plagiarizing, you're writing succinctly, your thesis statement, your conclusions are written well, and you're making a very good and valid point, all in the thesis or the theme of whatever you're writing about. Your next tab will be grades, and I've arranged this so that all the important stuff is at the top. Again, you'll be able to see our class here as the people fill up. This is just my training class. This is really quick navigation for our class for History of Games for Kenyatta College.